Yo, what is up, motherfuckers? You know what time it is. It's time to get in some trades, baby. Um, so I'll show you what I am looking at right now. So it's quite interesting actually what we're looking at. Um, I'm interested to see how this closes on the hour. But if you look at the structure right now, so let's start from the daily again. So we were fighting off that. We made this on Monday and this yesterday, like just some mad range. But basically, what I've noticed is that we've actually created a little range here. Look, highs, 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 just all trapped. Like there's nothing coming out, and now we've just broken out of it. And you'd think that we'd break out in order to touch and take that, but we just missed it. Like we've just completely just ignored it, which says to me that we're building liquidity, more liquidity for taking it. So, with that idea that this was a range, I'm actually thinking that we might come down again before we take that. So, like, I'm gonna save this as range. Oh, accumulation. Accumulation. I just put accumulation. Accumulation. But at the same time, that is counter trend if we're going that way. So I want to see, and I want to use some structure to go that way if we go that way. Also, another thing that we could bear in mind is that this is a small little range. I mean, it kind of isn't, but it kind of is. We have equal highs there, and we've just broken out of this quite heavily. So if we come back and maybe invert this, let's say that we turn that into a fair value gap, which we might well do, then this could be the trade as well. So I feel like I'd rather keep looking on the 3 minute. But yeah, we kind of did just break out of that as a range, so it does make sense. Plus we had a 30-minute fair value gap to tap into. And this is kind of the bottom of the 1 hour fair value gap. So if we break through these and close past these, then I'd say that potentially this is the target. If we don't and we respect this, then I would say that we're possibly going up higher towards there. So let's see what happens. So that 3 minute camera's just open, so I'm gonna go and make myself a hot drink and start this vibe nice in here. Let's get it nice. Some piano as always. bit slow. I don't want to slow into it right now. Yeah, are we back? Okay. Alright, so this is nice. This is looking not bad at all. Looks like we kind of are respecting that 30-minute Fair Valley, which is nice. We are also looking like we're ranging right now. So if we come... Oh man, this fucking internet, man. One sec, I need to get a charger for my phone so I can have a look. Alright, so I guess we're not breaking up the range down below, but we are respecting that Fair Valley gap we just made down below, so it's not a bad move at the moment. Staying hopeful. I'm changing the internet because this is pissing me off. Don't even understand why we're dropping out. Can't do it, can't work like that. Well, look at the state of it. There we go. Constance's iPhone. We are online, baby. This does make sense that it's kind of arranged, look, because of the above. That's more why I would say it's arranged. The below is not really, but obviously you need a top and a bottom for everything, don't you? I tried to make my own oat milk today. It just tastes like there's no milk in this tea. I think it needs a bit more sweetener anyway, but it's not great. This does look good, I just don't want to get in prematurely. Also, I might be able to get in, instead of having a stop down there, we could get in with a stop there and target the high of that. Oh, let me see what we're looking at. 7.6 lots. Okay, and this candle is 54, so it's going to close at 57. So we've got a little way to go. That's why I'd kind of rather take it on the 3 minute, because I mean, whichever it closes on, I'm going to take. It's kind of annoying that we're going to miss so much of this move though. Unless I can look on the one and kind of play a bit of a pullback. Alright, we've got 1 more minute for this to close. Can we close nice and strong? I do think this will go, it's just I can't get in prematurely. Really, you could look this from the other side. We've just accumulated here, and we're coming in to tap into a higher time frame order block. So if we invert a fair value gap on there, the other side of the curve, this might just be wrong. Alright, so both of these are going to close at the same time, not this 5 and the 3. So it might be worth just tightening that so we can jump in on the 5 if we can get it. It does look like it's going to go, so let's just get ourselves ready for this. Say 8 pips. It's going to be 1.5%. I mean 1.5 lots. I will look to play a little pullback as well, if we can. One and a half minutes left. Let's close past this. Look at that. The price I want is 49. Okay. So 1 more minute till close. Come on, close for me. 1 more minute. Now you want to close. I do feel slightly uncomfortable taking these 5 minute ones for some reason. It's just like, I don't know. For some reason, it's like thinking that just because it's longer, it's not as strong, or it's gonna. Maybe it just takes longer to hit. Obviously. Oh man, you're not gonna close, are you? Little bastard. Wish you would have just closed and then started dropping down like that. I'd take that any day. wasn't meant for it then. Let's just keep looking on this 3 minute for now. Because really that's just closed the gap. We might just be closing the gap on the 5, on the 3 as well. Oh, actually no, we've got a little 5 minute fair value gap there that we're tapping into. Or we have just tapped into. Mate, if we make a little 1 minute fair value gap here, I'm taking that if this inverts. If we make it. Okay, we made one. Interesting. So now we could potentially take this long. It'll be 4, so 3 lots. If I can. I'd still potentially take the 5 minute one if we can as well. We want to respect the 5 minute one. Fair value below though. And also I don't want to make too many fair value gaps if we can avoid it. Go on, reverse now, close that for me. And let's reverse, so we'll come back to the order block. First things first, just close that gap for me. That's what I want. Yes, nice. Okay. Do you know what? I might just do this as 2.5 lots. Target that high there. Just in case I can't get in on a good price. I was thinking of risking 2% today, but I don't think I wanna. I'm not ready yet. This is nice, we're still rejecting this order block. I'd like to see us keep rejecting this order block. We're not rejecting that order block. I thought we might close and invert that 5 minute one. That would be a turn for the books, wouldn't it? Really didn't see this coming. So this is why you don't get in prematurely, my friends. Just something that looks like such a sure thing, it could just completely switch on you. That's nuts. What is going on here? Oh shit, the 30 minute close rejecting, that's really good. If we close past this, we're got a problem. We're definitely gonna close past that 5 minute. Which is insane, like, there's no point in getting taken. It looks like we're still selling then until we can get a bit further. is like one of them free trades that what's his name talks about. It's kind of not worth it there. It's really not worth it. Even knowing that we'll close, like, that we'll take that, it's still not worth it. Because if we don't, and you've lost with a 0.25R. It's a shame there weren't like lower time frame fair value gaps for us to invert as well. Because really this was a little range that we broke above it, respected that, and now it's coming to take that. Right, that is the wrong decision, wrong idea then. Does look like we're selling still. Problem is we don't have much like targets here. We've got a small little 4R fair value up there. Not obvious. There was nothing that we could have took to go short on that. Unfortunately, by the time we've inverted it there, it's a waste of a move. So far, we've still got an hour left to go. It'd be phenomenal if we start accumulating right near that. We probably won't, but it'd be amazing if we did. Just as the 5-minute one's closing as well. Ah, no, we took it. In a weird way, I kind of get what Dodgy's saying about free trades. Where was the candle that we closed? Would have been there. Stop would have been there. You could have got a win. I should have seen it a bit clearer. Because once that hits, his point is go break even. Because it's got like that's so bound to hit. His point is go break even. It's a fair point. What have we just tapped into then? We're in that little 4-hour fair value gap. We've tapped into some higher time frame order blocks as well. Okay, we could expect a reversal here. Don't know though. Still got. I haven't took that low, which I would expect us to take. At the moment we're selling, so for me to start looking for buys doesn't actually make proper sense. We did accumulate right by there, and we just came down quite heavily. Don't know where my high time frame, don't know where my buy target would be there. Possibly be there, or fill in these gaps. Yeah, we need to take that low, don't we? Okay, took that low. Let's see actually now. It's a tiny fair value. It's kind of non-existent. I'm switching my bias right now. I'm looking for sell. once the market structure changes, then we can start looking for buys. But right now, it isn't changing. So, not trying to catch a falling fucking knife. Go on, let's AMD this bad boy. Come into that, respect it. That'd be nice. Maybe not. Okay, annoyingly, this is a small little accumulation now that we just manipulated under. There's nothing to say we're gonna go that far though. I might have to take this as a risky one and just go to break even as soon as we push out a little. I'm anticipating a reversal. I am. And it could come. It really could. It makes sense that it could come here. This is what I've been waiting for, really. But it also makes sense that we could go lower. So we'll see. I'm looking at that as an IFVG now. Problem is the high of that range is the beginning of the IFVG. Okay. So we're gonna get a price at 17. Take this as a small scalp if I can. Need to see you close past it there. Oh, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 1 second, no. No close. Of course we hit some volume now, of course we do. 30 seconds. Close. Don't give me too much volume, just close. Still no closing. Oh yeah? Yeah, you're gonna close it, yeah. Alright, we're getting ready for a 17 we want. If we can get it. It's looking like it's a bit far-fetched. 28. 25. But we're bouncing off a fucking 5-minute fair value up there. I'll take 17 if I can get it. 18, I'll take that. Yeah, okay, I'm going at 18. Stop loss is gonna be 161. TP is gonna be 275. So we're just looking to fill this gap. It's a bit of a riskier trade, but it makes sense because we've just come down and took quite a bit of liquidity. So let's see. So far so good. I feel like once we approach that gap there, once we get to like there, I'm gonna go break even. Once we get to about 62, if we can reach 62, I'm gonna go break even. Nice. Good push. Nice, really nice push. 45 now. We're coming up to the second fair value gap on the 5-minute. So I'll just mark that out. We can expect a reaction once we tap there. To be honest, I might go break even now, you know, just because it's such a counter trend move. Do I go break even now? Alright, we're inside the 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, I'm moving stop to break even right now. Let's see if we hit. I feel like we could and we should. I'm just don't want to take no chances there. Go on, hit, hit, hit. You're that close, hit, hit. I think we're gonna hit. Come on, baby. Don't play with us. Ah, you bastard. Alright, it's risk free anyway. Hey, we hit. Nice. Very nice. I'll take a little snap of that. Nice and clean. It was slightly counter trend, but it made sense. It wasn't like a silly counter trend. We had higher time frame liquidity, higher time frame order blocks, all of that jazz. Sorry, not higher time frame order blocks, higher time frame fair value gaps. Okay, nice. 10-3-1-2. Love that. I feel like I might have just got lucky there. I might have just had perfect TP. There's no real AMD here, so don't know. Man, I got lucky with this, you know, shit. I'd have been stopped out right now. Yo, I can't believe how lucky I just got with that. That is nuts. Really, this is looking like a short model right now. Only reason I wouldn't take it is because there's been no accumulation before it. I'm not just bouncing off every fair value gap. But yeah, got real lucky with that TP then. Thank you Lord for that one. Bye. We was in at 20 past 2 and we're out at 25 past 2. Yeah, like I'm saying, this does kind of look like a short now, but it didn't accumulate enough for me. Can't just take every single fucking 5-minute fair value. Plus, it doesn't turn into anything on the 5 or the 1. So we might still go higher, but I'm glad I'm out of that. Okay. great start, man. Oh, shit. Look at that. I can't believe how perfect my TP was. I think it was literally 74 and it closing price 76. Did it even push past 76? I don't think it did. Didn't even reach 76 on that. Yeah, I got really, really lucky with that. This is nice. Obviously, like I said, no accumulation beforehand, so it's not really something I'm interested in. Alright, looking like we're going to go and take our next target then. I'm going to just upload that win. Tell me, mate, about it. Okay. I like the 5 minute better. So we're still like respecting that this fair value up there and this order block there. It's interesting. I don't know, we might invert this. Too many of them for me to. Plus there's, we already took the liquidity, so for us to come back doesn't really make sense. Oh, I'm looking for liquidity. That would do it. Oh, we're looking for liquidity. There's no fair value gaps on these other time frames, so I can't take this, which is really annoying. However, if we're still at that to invert, so I'm gonna post this on Twitter. This is looking interesting. when I zoom out and look at that, I feel silly for taking that small buy. I do. I feel like shorts are the way here. Like we're gonna come and take this. Alright. I would like to see us come back here. Maybe back here. Although we closed that gap really nicely. Let's see a high time frame. Here we've got a little. No, we don't actually. We do if we come up back into this, like I just said. This is kind of accumulation. So if we accumulate here a little longer, come up above that high. Maybe take either that, or we could take that and drop. I got lucky with this, but I mean, it kind of made sense, so kind of glad I took it, but I don't know if that was the best. I don't think it's the best habits to be getting into, because it's just going to drop my probability. Like yesterday, I wouldn't have took a loss if I didn't do a counter trend move. So that's just something to think about. Anyway, it'd be lovely if we could come up into that. And then make a little reversal. So took that high, nice. We've got a small little 1 minute here, so if we break through that, might be looking for something else. There's our next low target. So that's nice. Are we going to make a fair value go? We can make a fair value go. Well, looking like we can. Let's see if we turn this into one. I'd love if we did. Yeah, looking like we will. Still respecting that 1 minute fair value as well, so this could be a nice little move. Gonna get ready for this. When I start seeing us turn around now, this is gonna be 2.5 again. So this I feel like I could push it to 1.32 if we do take this trade. I'd rather us not go higher now. Nice rejection. Close past. Did we? No, we didn't. Alright, looks like we're gonna take that high then. Are we gonna take that high? close past this, then we're pretty sure we will take this higher. Oh, we're going to take it now. Nice. Okay. So looking like we're going to make a 3-minute fair value gap then, which is slightly annoying, but it is what it is. Yeah, my bias is still saying short. This is really nice because we've accumulated a bit here, and then we've come up and took all of that. Now we just got to invert this 3-minute, which is a bit annoying, but it's okay though. Hopefully we don't keep coming a bit higher, because I wouldn't really like to see us invert this. Just want to see this hold. Five minutes about to close. 3-minute is not yet. Go on, let's see some volume to the downside. Come on, baby, let's see a bit of volume to the down. $52, when did that open? 51. Okay, I'd like to see us close that at least. I don't want too many fair value gaps to look at. Come on, let's get a bit of pressure to the downside, shall we? 5-minute fair value comes up. We are indeed. Okay, so we can look at both here. 5-minute is slightly earlier as well. Come on, just do it. There we go. There we go. Guess we might be waiting to make a little 5-minute. I feel so much more confident when I've got a bias as well, like a higher time frame idea. And just seeing this, even though it's so close to that target, just seeing that tells me that it's selling. Alright. This is our new candle, so we've got to wait 3 minutes for this one. It's going to be slightly annoying because we're a bit far away from thingy. Right, we're either waiting 3 minutes or we're waiting 5 minutes. There's that 5-minute one. A minute and a half to go. Much prefer this one, to be honest. Even though it doesn't give us as good of a price. I just want to see us close. To be honest, even that as a 1 minute could be fine. There's none of a fair value that's above except for that tiny one there. So even if I see us close this other one, I won't take it. We've got 40 seconds for that to close if it can. Should react off that. I'd like to see us react and reject that. I don't want to see us close past it. I mean, it's kind of non-existent on CTrader, but still. Okay, we are going to close past it, unfortunately. We rejected it just about. We closed another 3-minute candle. We have rejecting that. Here we go, we're getting some volume, baby. 1 minute to go still. Press to reach there. Don't think we're gonna do it in this next minute, but I feel like we might do it in general. Might wait here for half an hour more. Unless I can catch this one more. If nothing comes in before 3:30, then I'm calling it. Yeah, 5 minute, no. 3 minute, no. Still waiting. Small accumulation here. Nothing major. We've got no PDIs to tap into or anything, so it's not anything that bothers me that much. However, this was in the macro, so realistically we should come and take these lows, yeah. For it to do that in the macro, oh man, am I taking this on the 1 if it closes? I might, you know. And luckily we've got a bit of a better stop loss position now. Alright, 204 is what we're going for. If we can get it. Yeah, looking like we are gonna close past it, which is good. Give me 204 and I'm in. Come on, give me 204. There we go. Bitch. Don't really want to see us take that low yet before I can get in. Might have to watch out for the risk management once we hit them lows. I feel like we should break past them, but I just want to be a bit careful. Okay, I'm in. Give me 218. Say no more. So I got in at 218. Okay, maybe I could do a bit bigger stop loss down at 6.8. 286 is the stop. No. I'll be right. Go on then, and then we'll go. Oh, that can't be right. Oh, it gave me entry at 203. What am I on about? Fucking hell, what? How? Alright, stop is 63 then instead. Not as nice, but I'll take it. What did I say? 63, 263. Have I got 2 stops? I think I might need to put my stop above this high, you know. 8 pips. 86. Don't know. Let's see how this rejects, and I'll make up my mind from there. But for now, we'll go. Okay, for now we will go 86. Seems a bit exaggerated, but that's what it is. And then 120 is the TP. Alright, let's see. We should reject this nice. We close on the 3-minute, which is good. It's gonna be my last trade of the day anyway, so let's see what we can get. What are we looking at here? A loss of 134, a win of 134. I can't believe I got in at 1203. I swear I've seen like 18 get shown at one point. It's mad, man. Like the amount of milliseconds that you press makes a difference to the shade. What's my TP actually if my stop is there at 63? Then my TP would be at this low of 139. So we might go there. How much do I make if we stop at 139? 103. It's not bad. I'd really like us to reject this. Once we reject this and once we break that low, I think I might tie on my stop loss. Still in this macro as well, so really we should kind of see some volume in the next few minutes. Why am I not confident with this? I feel like I'm not confident with it because I know it's going to take a bit longer than I'd like to wait. Come on, close heavy like that. Close confident. Yeah, go on, close confident. Not bad. Let's see some volume then now. Something that helps a little more is that we've accumulated here and then we just manipulated on this candle 1505. Okay, we're breaking this low, which is nice. If we close past this low, I'm definitely moving my stop to about there. Yeah, I think we're gonna close past the low. So I'm gonna move my stop to 64 once we close. once we close, we've got 10 more seconds. Remembering we're gonna mitigate some risk after we take them lows as well. Have we? Yes, nice. Okay, so I'm moving that to 64. Okay, go on, let's just blast through this. I might still keep my TP at 120 though. I want to push my limits just a little bit. Right. We'll see what happens once we take that. Don't know whether to go break even though. No real reason why we should come back. Tough one, you know. This is a tough one. I feel like it's too early to go break even on this, but at the same time, if we close heavy like that and we invert that, then this is not going to look good. This is not looking good if that happens. That is not a nice candle. Okay, I don't like this trade now. Let's see what happens now. Might just get out for a small loss, you know. Yeah, this is tough. Took all these lows, I knew it would give us some kind of reaction after we took them lows. Come on, let's see a bit more pressure to the down. I feel like this might offer me break even and I might take it, you know. It is gonna offer me break even now. Don't know what to do here. I really don't know what to do here. This closing like that is not going to be a good sign either, and we just took that liquidity, finished the push. To be honest, on a higher time frame, this is still not a bad trade. It's just on the 1 minute that this doesn't look good. I feel like I might still hold this. Yeah. Okay, this is good. Let's keep pushing. Like I'm saying, on these higher time frames, it doesn't actually look like a bad trade. Just gotta be patient with it. Okay, it's offered me break even now. I haven't took it, so I'm gonna just keep going. Having said that, I am starting to feel like I might just move my stop above that high there at 230, which would mean we lose £40. It's 0.5%. I feel it's not a bad shout really, because we shouldn't come higher now. Am I making this decision or what? Come on, Ollie, you need to make this decision. I don't want to lose money, but if I can lose less money, I would rather that, obviously. We've got a big 1 minute fair value up to fill there. We come back, tapped into this 3 minute fair value gap and rejecting it. Nah, I think I still need to stay strong with this one. We're rejecting that. I feel like I've got to just make my bed and lay in it at this point. Okay, I'm gonna make a deal with myself. If we close past that 3 minute fair value gap, then I will close this trade. If we close past it, that's the deal. It's giving me multiple opportunities to get out as well, you know. That's why it's kind of a little bit painful. we would have been stopped out if I moved my stop loss. Come on, keep rejecting it. That's what I want to see. Fucking reject that bitch. It's a bit of a roller coaster trade, this, isn't it? That's what I want to see. Come on, let's go. Give me a bit more. Nice. Come on, let's close like that. Keep pushing. Look at that. It's offering me to get out if I want. £3. Gave me the chance and we're still not fucking closing strong, man. Come on, let's close strong. Let's fucking go strong. I don't know whether this is a test of patience or a test of like accurate thinking or decision making. I guess it is more of a test of patience because, like I've been saying on the higher time frames, this still makes sense. Like, it's not a bad trade. We haven't closed past that. We haven't inverted. Even though we inverted on the 1, the higher time frame is more powerful. And we only inverted the bottom of that range to take the top of that range. Okay, we're closing with a little bit more volume now. Another thing is, for me, this is why I don't have such type stop losses, and like my 1Rs seem like they're shit, but they're good because my stop losses allow for shit like this. Yes, come on, let's do it. Let's push. Yes, come on, let's push. Let's close strong. Go and hold it for 3 more seconds. Beautiful close. Okay. Once we break this low, I feel like I will go break even if we can break that low. I am also now going to move my stop to 34 because fuck that if we come back up. That would be ridiculous. So stop is now at 34. Oh, this has been a fucking roller coaster, isn't it? 1 to 1. My stop was initially at 86. So we're just mitigating risk at this point. Not going to break even yet, but we're really reducing the risk to 0.5% now. Because we should not come higher now. If we come higher, it's not a good position. Let's see us reject this Fair value gap. Oh, nice. Not time to go break even yet. If we reject this and then we break both of these internal lows, then I feel like I might go break even at that point, depending on what we're looking like. I think it's a bit too early to go break even yet. Man, this has been a real test. I haven't had one like this in a while. Really nice rejection. Okay, not the best, but still a good, not a bad one. Really, I could get in short again here, you know. It's just took it away from me. Look, I just realised we've inverted that. Well, I could double up on this. 5 lots, 2.5, 2.5. Now I kind of want it to come back. I could have doubled up on this. That must would have to be a bit higher, innit? I can double up on this. 8.4. Missed it. 179. Should I actually double up on this? Bit scared now. I'm gonna do it. Took it 178. Could take a double loss right now, but I'm hoping that we don't. Stop loss is at what? 37. Well, that was at 37 as well. And TP is gonna be 120 again. That's quite far away, isn't it? Man, it could be a risky one, but I've got faith in my position. So we're losing 1.5% now if we lose this. Did say I was ready for the 2% losses if they come. This is the test of whether I'm actually ready for these 2% losses. I feel way more nervous now. I feel way more nervous. Even though this is still a good position, we're just trading percentages. It's still a good position. Don't lose your cool, Ollie, it's still a good position. Moving both to break even once we hit that low. Do not lose your cool, this is a good position. We've rejected that, so I just want to see some movement to the down now. Listen, if we lose this trade, we lose this trade. It is what it is. That's just the way it goes. If we lose it, we lose it. There's no difference to taking one and taking two, or there's no difference from having 1% or 2%. If we lose the trade, we lose the trade. That's just it. Plus 81. Come on now. Come on now, you've messed me a lot around for enough time now. Break these lows, close below these lows, and we're in break even. Let's hit this with volume, baby. Let's hit this motherfucking shit with volume. Come on, you know we're not rejecting that. Fuck's sake. Come on, let's go, let's push, let's hit that. We're close to that first target at 39. It's gotta be next, man. Stay confident in yourself. It has to be the next target. Stay confident in yourself. If we lose it, we lose it, okay? It's about the input, not the output. Still haven't closed past these lows yet, but it looks good. It's okay, it's just a small pullback into that 1 minute fair value gap. As long as we keep reacting nicely after it, good. I'll put that back there just so I remember how big that trade was. Come on, let's just close past this fucking bastard now. Come on, let's push. Closed up, you know. Do I move stop loss on one of them? Come on, that is beautiful. Beautiful push out. Stay confident. We still haven't took the low. We already took them lows, so we should be coming back and taking that low. We just invited that fair value, for fuck's sake. If we lose, we lose. I knew it could happen. I'd really hope we don't, but if we lose, we lose. Really nice rejection. Let's go, let's see some downward pressure now. Fuck. It's a downward, mate, not upward. Back at break even. Don't understand why we're doing this either. first and made some fair valley gaps. This is not looking good. But this happened to me before on my trade last week. Right next to TP, and then we went all the way back into drawdown. Man, this has been a long trade. Might step away, you know. Don't stop us out. Surely not. Surely we're not gonna get stopped out. We're gonna get stopped out. We're fully gonna get stopped out. After all this. What is wrong with this fucking trade, man? I could break even this. I could just cut both positions and walk away. Do you know what my fear is though now that we're accumulating and my stops aren't in safe positions in accordance to that accumulation. Yo, this has been the horriblest trade I've had this year. This is fucking difficult, man. It's a real emotional tester. But everything I've made these decisions. Like, I made these decisions, I've stuck by these decisions, so it's input over output, innit? It's going to be so painful if it loses, but really I shouldn't feel the pain. I shouldn't let it feel painful. maybe scaling in and taking 2 positions. Just, it's taught me the lesson. I'm not ready to risk 2% yet. I might move my other stuff back up higher because I just feel like we're gonna take this and then push down. I'm out. It's gonna stop me out. I can't even see my other stop loss, man. Do you know what? Yeah, I'm moving this one because I'd rather get stopped out with both positions being not in my favour than just because I was trying to save a bit of money. Like, I would just rather go all out. That's just how I feel right now. It's fucking playing with me, bro. We just rejected that 3-minute fair value gap again. Oh, mate, this thing is fucking with me. I feel like that's got to be the next target, innit? But how are we inviting? Like, we're just constantly inviting and inviting. This thing is fucking with me different. It is absolutely messing with my life. Problem is, it's messy as well. I need to see this clearly. Oh yeah, right now it should take this high. So we're in a bad position on this one. My 81 trade, which is the lower one, is gonna get stopped out. Is it though? We just took that high. As long as we don't close past this, then we should still be good. guess I needed to clear up my chart because I was just could not see anything. Oh, this is a fucking joke, I tell you that for free. It's still rejecting it. There's our target at 120. I might just close at the low though, because this has been like hell of a trade. Shut scaling again, get in there. Fuck off. Stretch that out. Looks like we are going to invert that there. Doesn't exist on the 3 or the 5. I'll tell you what, if we end up with 250 out of this, I'll be so happy. Beautiful, we've inverted that. Really could take another position there, but how like hell am I gonna do that? Another 1-to-1. Not a chance. Just do it now. Just fucking do it. What happens if I move these TPs? 134, 120. Thingy. That low is 38. Let's just see what happens if 38. 87. Oh, I've been streaming for 2 hours. Yo, it still wants to play, you know. I can't deal with this fucking price action, bro. What is going on? What the fuck is going on? Nice rejection. Oh, here we go again. Do you know what's mad though? I feel like if we end up hitting take profit, it's gonna hit so hard. Just invited that. Can't believe it. Can't believe we've just invited that. fucking close this trade and walk away because this is horrible, man. Look, 19 and 20, I'd walk away losing £1. I feel like I might be putting myself more through hell just because I'm sitting here watching it. There's a 1 minute trade in it. You can't really walk away from putting a position on under 1 minute. You gotta keep watching. Another opportunity to walk away with a small profit right now. I feel like we've come way too far for that though. I've almost been in this trade for an hour. It's a 1 minute trade and I've almost been in this trade for an hour. Why are we rejecting that 1 minute fair value gap? Actually, it's not really a fair value gap, is it? I'm glad we held this one. This is the second macro. Oh my god. I got in on the first macro. I've actually been in this trade for an hour. I have genuinely been in this trade for a fucking hour. I've got to watch it because I need to watch the reaction after that. I really do feel to just fucking go break even. I mean, just move my TPs to there, because at least I know that's going to hit. We've got, what, another 2 pips to go after that once we hit it. Look at the state of that price action, man. Telling you, man, I don't know if we're gonna come and take these highs first. We really might, so I might lose one of my positions on this. But when we hit this low, we should hit it with so much fucking volume because like the amount that we've been ranging is nuts. There's still opportunities for me to just walk away with just scraping out of it alive. Here we go again, testing me. Don't know if I'm being stubborn by holding on this long, you know, it just feels horrible, man. nice though it would be if I actually did get out there. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. .7R. Mate, you've gotta be kidding me. Like, what the fuck? Right, I'm about to get stopped out on this one. Oh, I'm losing the fucking will to live with this trade, man. I am losing the absolute will to live. It's gonna take it. I know it's gonna fucking take it. What's my other entry? My other entry like there, 09 I think it was. 08 I think. My stops there. Come on then, yeah, let's just do this at 1 to 1. Because I swear down, I can't be fucked for this trade anymore. $138, we lose 121. I can't do it. What is that? Oh, it was 03 that I got in, not 08. Ah. I've got so much rage right now, like this is fucking me up. So much fucking rage. Oh man. Thankfully we're really rejecting that 1 minute. Don't like we're rejecting this though. I feel like stop loss is gonna get hit on this second position. I really do. I might get out of the second one if I can. Where's my stop loss? Oh, it's there, 37. I don't know if that will get hit actually. We might just take these highs here. Got a lot of equal highs there. Okay, I'm gonna walk away from this trade. I have to. I need to go and stretch my legs because this feels horrible. I'm back, bitches. I'm gonna bring my phone with me so I know when we hit TP. Yeah, boy, we're reimbursing that shit. Alright. Reversing it and then we just come right back. Is that how we working? Nice rejection. Let's close like that. Yeah, let's close like that, baby. Or even let's close bearish. How about that? Just literally get in again. 2 pips. 6 lots. What do you reckon? Should we do it? I think it's like, no, we don't fucking do it. Might as well lose 6% instead of, no, 3%, so instead of 1. I could fully do it though. Just catching up a small little trade. Stop there. Okay, give me 3 pips, then 4 lots. I'll take it for 4 lots. It's because I've been in this for so fucking long, I just don't want to be in it anymore. Yeah, actually, it's a silly trade. Like, there's nothing to say getting on that. That was a stupid decision. Yo, that would have been fucked. I would have been so pissed off. Bro, what are we doing? Like, what are we actually doing? Why are we rejecting this 1 minute fair value so fucking much? Somewhere's gotta go. It's either gonna be my fucking stop loss or my TP, which is obvious, but somewhere has to go. And I cannot call it. We're just ranging, we're just inverting after inverting. Alright, we're about to get stopped out. Why can't I walk away? Why can I not walk away? Like, say, watching it is gonna improve the position. I need to walk away. I need to walk away. Listen to what you're saying, Ollie. You need to walk away. You need to walk away. It's out of your control. I'm fully walking away. I'm closing this and everything. Safe. I will see how we do tomorrow.